as of today, no panties have been thrown. Brigade. I do not think this word means what you think it means. Wait, there's a little guy in there. Love you, Brigade. It's going to be a few minutes.
Guess what?
These aren't all used.
They're from Goodwill. They're from Goodwill.
Alright.
Okay. Thanks, that's the one that made the difference.
It's going to be a long night, ladies and gentlemen. We need to count this shit off like Bob Barker. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
And more than 60 things.
Only a few of you are going to get this. That was like the strangest production of Jesus Christ Superstar. And a boxer for good luck.
He's going to go put itching powder in that and give it to the jocks.
I didn't catch that last pair of boxers there till the end, so hold on, I gotta read it.
Read it. We are a whole lot of fans. Nobody has to run autograph and sad to say. As of today,
30 pairs of underwear and one panty have been thrown.